Hey guys, Frank Curzio here, another live video, and this one's called Forget Tech. Stocks in this sector have much more upside potential. With a little bit of education segment here is after the markets close, especially now it's earnings season, it's a lot of fun because companies are going to tell you, everything what happened the past quarter, their guidance, and you get a real time update on these companies, different sectors. So the first thing I do is go to briefing.com, see what's going on. A lot of news. Oprah Winfrey, Apple deal, the BioNTech and Pfizer, phase 3 study initiation. There's also some earnings to Crane, NXP Semi, and also F5 reported, news on Qualcomm. But news that went under the radar is right here. I want to show you something because they report all the earnings. This is a great site briefing. I don't get paid by these guys. But when I look at a company that's called Simpson Manufacturing, so here it is, right? Symbol's SSD. Now, if you look at their results, this is a do-it-yourself stock leveraged to the consumer. This is a sector that you're looking at what they're saying here, and this is what I love about this. So North American net sales increased 10.7%, primarily due to higher sales volumes from the return of a home center customer, raising guidance. You're looking at this sector, everyone's focused on technology that had a massive run. Thursday, we have 4 of the major technology companies about to report. If you're looking at guidance, they're probably going to not offer guidance or not be too optimistic because it's election year. They're an easy target. I'd be surprised if they offer, especially Apple. They delayed their phones. I'll be surprised if they offer amazing guidance. But if you're looking right now, the sector to own is the do-it-yourself housing stocks. I mean, Lowe's told us how great the market is, Home Depot, and a lot of people will buy those stocks. But for me, a company like Simpson Manufacturing is just under the radar. Why? Because when you look at it, let me bring up Yahoo Finance, which is a site you can follow along with. You look at a $4 billion market cap, right? It's a $94 stock, and people be like, wow, that's expensive. Holy cow, it's so high. It's a $4 billion market cap, right? So, I mean, if you want to compare, not to get off topic here, let's go with Under Armour. Under Armour's a $9 stock with a higher market cap, right? But that's cheap because it's under 10. No, it's actually trading over 100 times forward earnings, and Simpson Manufacturing is trading a lot cheaper than that. It's about 25 times forward earnings. So it's not just Simpson's Manufacturing here. So look at these do-it-yourself like Masco, right? And that stock's at a 52-week high. But look at Masco over the last 6 months. Look at this run-up. And if you're looking what these companies are saying during the earnings calls, everything's great, and they're raising guidance. Very few companies are raising guidance. Let's go with Whirlpool, throwing lots of names at you here for free. So, I mean, look at this run-up in Whirlpool, right? If you're looking at keep going here. How about Sherwin-Williams, right? 52-week high with this one as well, right? Just reported blockbuster results. Another 52-week high. Let me see. So Sherwin-Williams, Owens Corning's another one. Again, sharing some of these do-it-yourself stocks that are benefiting. And why are they benefiting? Well, you have mortgage rates very low. There's housing starts that are going to continue to surge. Yes, you might see ups and downs in them, but mortgage rates 3.14% right now. I mean, you talk to someone who bought a house in the 80s would laugh at that, wouldn't believe it. It's just right now the environment is absolutely perfect. The post-COVID world, this isn't going to be a temporary thing. This is a long-term thing where people are going to be staying home a lot more. They're going to be working from home. They want their houses to look nicer. You see this trend coming on. These are companies that are offering positive guidance that are blowing out the numbers compared to tech where they're not really offering guidance. I think going forward, these names are going to go a lot higher. And again, even if we get a vaccine, it's a different world now. I mean, the environment sets up for these kind of post-COVID world that are going to continue to accelerate, but I definitely get exposure to these names. I know they've run up at 50-week highs. They still have a lot more to run up. They're not too expensive compared to the Disney's trading at 250 times forward earnings or the Tesla's at who knows times forward earnings. So great sector to invest in. Sorry, this video took a little bit long, shared a lot of names with you. But to do it yourself within the housing sector, it's a booming market. It's going to continue. Everything looks great. Those are some of the names going to benefit. I'm Frank Curzio. As always, I'll be back to you guys soon. Take care.